Hello YouTube, my name is Core and welcome to my channel. So today I will show you how I list t-shirts what have like multiple sizes. So one color, but it will have small, medium, large and extra large in sizes. So I will show you how I do it, and hopefully you will find it helpful. So let's jump in it. Right, let's pop over to the eBay. We'll go to listings, create the listing. Right, so we'll just put brand first, fluid men's t-shirt. T-shirt. That sounds off. So yeah, let's see, doesn't this have any style name? Not really, so I'll just put a little bit more here. Crew, neck, short, sleeve, chest, pocket, casual, size, I don't know, it has multiple sizes. Right, as this has multiple variations now in sizes, we have to let me create the main SKU first, because we put in SKUs as well to manage our stock levels across the different platforms. So that's fluid T. I'll just use it stripe. I don't know, burgundy men's. I'll just copy that as well. So you put the main part of the SKU into this one, and when you go create the variations, you put that plus the size. Basically, that's how I create my SKUs. Use that to add size in here. Just click size, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 sizes we have, and then we add the images. So these are the images we have for them. Boom. Bit slow. Right, perfect. So this t-shirt, I believe I paid £3. So 3x is 9 plus postage. I'm gonna put it $10.95. And then we add SKUs in here. Men's small. I'll just copy this. Control C, Control V. Medium. Large. And extra large. So again, all these t-shirts have barcodes, so I'll just enter them in here as well. Right, so one of each, save close. Then, so as we already put them into the variations, then the EEN code disappears from here. Right, next, fluid brand. Man, color is a bit weird. It's like a maroon burgundy. So I'll just put maroon. T-shirt, men's short sleeve, crew neck material. I think it's cotton as well. Yep, 100% cotton. Then this t-shirt is a regular fit, size type regular, pattern we put striped. It's not vintage. Let's see if we can put anything in here. graphic print. No, so it's like a stripe print. Yeah, it's like a printed stripes. Printed stripes. Well, yeah, you can't even type it in. Then personalized season. I would like to put any, but this one some reason doesn't allow me. Again, it's machine washable, and it will actually have manufacturing color. It doesn't say anything, so we'll just leave that one blank. So right, so I have the description, everything written again, so I'll just copy this over to save some time. Spread it out again. I don't like it. Okay, let's try it. So advanced editing. Just make that small. So brand fluid t-shirt, size small to XL available. Regular fit, maroon, red, short sleeve, striped design, chest pocket, and perfect to top for casual wear. So short and sweet, but there's plenty of details here, really. So all the return stuff is underneath there again. Fixed price, that's prices are in there. 30 days, PayPal. What else? Again, we'll send them raw mail, large letters. At the moment, we don't offer any international postage or nothing like that. So again, they're gonna be roughly the same. Letter size 2.5, and I think none of them were over 250 grams, so it's gonna be just standard large letter. And again, I'll boost it by 1%, so done. So another listing done. Easy really, like one color, 4 sizes, and that's how it will look. Title pictures, so you can select your size here. Fast and free, plenty of details in again, and your product description. Cool, we're all done. So hopefully it's helpful, and I think that's it for this one now. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time again.